Hey there guys, in today's video I'll be sharing my new updates, what I'm currently working on and what happened to me. Why am I in mask? So yeah, so basically I have been tested positive in COVID test, and it's a normal one. It's mild. Doctor said it is mild. It is just 19%. So I'll be back in 5 days, and I thought to update you guys since there is no video since the new year started and the last month also. So I'm currently working on building tutorials for the Android Rasa integration, and also I'm planning to what else I can be adding in this new year. So, what I've thought in this particular year to bring you guys and what to teach you, and also the suggestions that you leave me behind, DM me and on Insta or on Discord. So yeah, so for that, I thought of it, and it is a continuation of Android Rasa integration. First, let me tell you what all the topics I'm going to explain you in Android Rasa integration. So in Android Rasa integration, we are going to look at the images buttons. These two things are confirmed actually, and also we have been looking at the chat UI. Its video is already been shot. It's in the editing process right now. As I'm currently um, shooting this video, I will also be editing that video in 1 day or two. Let's see. So after that there will be buttons and images part will I be shooting, and I'll be showing you how to add them. And after that we'll be looking at how we can add carousels, how we can add the carousel support. Other than that, I'm also thinking to add the video preview if possible, because the video preview part is a quite complex. I'll be explaining that in a particular video why it is complex. So I'll create a separate video and don't want to take a long time for this particular video since it's just for uh, Happy New Year and like that. So, and then after that, the main what you say integration for Rasa bot is quite in demand, which is first is WhatsApp and second is voice assistant. So in the voice assistant, I'll be able to teach you how we will be able to do it via Android Studio itself. It will be continuation of the Rasa Android integration part, and we'll be achieving the voice input and many more stuff I'll be showing you. So it's a quite a suspense like what will happen actually. So I'll be sharing a demo video of it, like how it will look like and what all the features will be there. So it will be coming soon. I can't specifically say the date, but it will be coming soon. But it will be within this 3 months. Okay. Yeah. So after that, I was thinking to integrate Rasa with WhatsApp, but the budget is quite small. So in there, I have created an actual channel, but I would like to test it with the WhatsApp Business API. So for testing it, I would like you all to support me. If anybody has any kind of WhatsApp Business API, they have purchased it, I'd really like if we could collab, and I'd like to test it with yours. So it will be open source on my repository and anyone can use it. Because the main issue while using the Android, sorry, not Android, WhatsApp API is like it might be uncertain if I'm not going to test it. So if let's say if you use it in your own WhatsApp business, so at that moment it might not work. Then what to do? You will be like panicking, or you'll be trying to solve it, like why it is not working. So I want each and every scenario to be fixed inside it, and there shouldn't be any kind of uncertainty, instability in there, and it should work with each and every part, each and every messaging or template message or etc, etc, which all message are present in there. So yeah, that was about the WhatsApp business integration. And also I would like to teach you guys on how to create your own custom channel, on understanding how the custom channels are made and built. And after that, the second part, which is I'm currently also working on integrating Discord with Rasa. So it is quite bit messy right now, because in the WebSocket it was just going to be getting connected, but because of the WebSocket knowledge, I have a little bit knowledge of WebSocket, so it got quite confusing in keeping the connection on between RasaBot and between the connector and the Discord. So there needs to be a connection in between. If you could if any one of you could help me, please DM me on Discord, LinkedIn, or Instagram. I am available on most of the social media channels. You can DM me if you have any knowledge with WebSockets. So I would like to keep the connection alive between Discord and the connector itself. So that's why. So it would be really good if you could help me out. And also, my goal for this year is to at least achieve 2000 subscribers, so that I'll get at a particular level where I can get monetized, and also I could bring you guys a lot of community updates, or all the errors or solutions uh, for all the errors and all the solutions for the errors what you comment on, or what is the general announcement like that in the community updates. So this all things are available when I hit 1000 subscribers and 4000 watching hours. If you would like to see, I am currently on right here this particular part. So if you really want to see at which level I am currently, so this is what the current scenario is. There are only 412 subscribers that I'm really proud of, and there are watch hours of 1385 hours. So I would really like if community would help me out in reaching the goal of YouTube monetization and partner program, so I could enable all the features of YouTube, and I could give you more, like all the planning which I have done for this year. It can be really helpful. Also, the announcement. Most of you, I have seen that you are not part of the Discord community which I have built. So if I will add all the announcements in there for right now. If you guys could join it, all the links are in description for joining the Discord community. In each and every video, I have added how you can join the Discord community. So it would be really great if you could join the Discord. And also, if you have any doubts, you can add them in the comment section. It is really helpful for me. So when you add the comments, you can add in the comment section, like what you liked about the video, or what you want in the future videos, your all suggestions, or you have any doubts, you can add them. But just make sure while asking the doubts, like if you are going to add all the errors, like if you are just adding like I got an error while integrating with website, so it's an open question. I too don't know like what error you faced. So it's better if you could add some detail, like this was the error, it is saying like this, I got into the inspect section, or I checked the terminal, this was happening. So this will really help me to understand what the error was, and instead of just like this was I got an error, please help me. So I won't be able to help you in that case. I'll just have to ask like what was the error, like that. It will be time consuming for both of us, who is asking the error and who is going to solve it. So it would be better if you could add the error code in there, or you can also join the Discord server, since it will be really useful for you to add the screenshots of the error which you faced, and it will be kind of one to one. You're adding the inside the channel, and if anybody from the community gets this kind of error, they will just look at it, and it will be really helpful for them also, like this solution help them, right? And you are starting to contribute in the community also. So it's achievement for you and for them also. And other part I would like to add here is please subscribe. So why to subscribe? Because all the videos which I add, YouTube will provide you notifications, and once you subscribe and click on the notification bell, it will provide you the notifications of each and every video which I upload and which I premiere or go live basically. So please do subscribe. That was the main scope of this part. And other than that, make sure to like the video, because liking the video, clicking on the like button will help the algorithm, YouTube algorithm, to suggest the videos to each and every one at their homepage, instead of they are searching for Droid City and then getting the videos, or searching for the topic and then getting the videos. If you click on the like button, they will get automatically suggested by the videos if they search also. So I will be on the top of the list. Yeah. So it will really help me. If you really like my videos, then it is really helpful for me. And if you really like me.
Yeah, boy.
All right. So yeah, and it will also get some sponsors and might get some what do you say, a swag probably, because I'm wearing right now Postman swag, which was part of an hackathon which I won with my friend Rairo, who is from Africa. So this is the Postman t-shirt I got from there. And yeah, if you really subscribe, get me at the level, you might have seen Mr. Beast and the Dream, and also Joma Tech. Yeah, so they all get some sponsors. They return to the community what we earn. So see what I'm when I'm getting, so yeah, so like that. I don't want to reveal much of the stuff what I'm going to do, but yes, there are a lot of stuffs going to come as soon as we are going to hit the monetization, because I'd like to, what I earn from it, I'd like to return it to you guys. And that's what I would like to say. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. That's the motto of the YouTube while doing YouTube. So yeah. And about the Instagram, I'd like to say is, I don't get much of the time since I'm also working, and also experimenting all the stuff which I learn about, and so that I could show you, teach you more of the things. So yeah, so I would also really like some suggestions on, would you like some live streams about few different kind of chatbots, or building an Android application from scratch about a particular topic, about doing a particular UI, or just a gaming stream, like I play Minecraft, I play CS:GO. These are the two things which my machine can handle. So yeah, this too I do. So if you would really like some live streams on them, I would really like to do. You can add them in the comment section below, or you can directly DM me about this. So yeah, all right. So I'll start with the other videos and edit them, and see ya guys. And I'll edit this and upload this as soon as possible today itself. Today is Today is 8th of January, where when I'm shooting this video. And also I have created a new wallpaper based on Rasa bots which we are learning and building. So this is the wallpaper. It's a pretty basic, and it is, you can say, a copy of the other wallpapers which are there. Eat sleep code repeat, but it is in the Rasa format. So yeah, I just thought to create it and just used it. Yeah, it's like that. So this was the whole video about giving an update and about the COVID infection I got. And so currently I am grounded. You can say like that, isolated, by the way. So yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. And till then, bye bye.